Good everybody, it's your boy E2C back in the motherfucking building with another video. Today we took two light L's. What I did today, what I did today was I took my boy trade bomb. Basically we closed the trade too early. Basically turned a winning trade to a losing trade cause the shit won. You feel me? But we closed early just cause we seen the candle that we didn't like, but it still hold at our demand level. So I'm gonna go over that today. And as well, I'm gonna go over gold, what I could have caught on gold, and I missed my entry on gold, so I'm gonna go over that too. Okay. So on the account that we down, we up 650 for the month, down 88 for the day. We still up $148 for the week. Go to my other account. So my second account, you see that we down. We still up $148 for this week. I'm up $148 on both accounts. That's crazy. But I'm up $148 for this week. You see, only down $48. So you know what I'm saying. This ain't nothing big. We gonna get that back. So now let's go in our trade. So I'm gonna start off with Nas and what we caught on Nas. My boy Bond Sniper caught the trade. Ended up closing out early, but it did play out. So what we see was we on the 5 minute time frame. Senior price came down. Yeah, they didn't over there. Let me see. Price came down. Did a change of carry to the upside. Price keep continue up. They continue up. Then as well, price broke this structure up right here. So now we gotta break a structure up. Then price left for 5 minute demand. Okay. Okay, everybody give us a tap. Gave us a tap at demand level. I got in on this candle closer right here. My 1-to-1 was right here. Price came down. When price came down right here, we closed our trade because we thinking that price may going to come and validate this demand level. Because usually when price come close bullish, then as well you to break a candle bullish. But usually you want to come in here and take us out for the 1-to-1. But then look what price did. Boom, hit my TP1. So we closed the trade out. I took it on both accounts. Usually I would take it on one account, but I was confident in the trade as well. Closed out, closed up basically with a small L, so that's overall good. Next time I may just walk away from the screen until my TP1 or SL get hit. So I won't fall in this situation again. So sometimes when you close a trade out, that trade can turn to a winning trade. but I was willing to let go of the trade, so that's what I did. I let go of the trade when I seen price coming down hard. I'm thinking that price may close back bearish below this candle, so I just cut my losses early. Then price hold at this demand, then it played out for the 101. There we go. Gonna go. I'm gonna do a little select bar replay. I'm gonna go to 8 o'clock. So I'm gonna go, I always go to the daily time frame. For my daily time frame, I mark up my previous day highs, previous day lows. Right to the 1 hour. So y'all remember yesterday I was talking about ICC. Now look what we had again. We had an indication that we want to go higher. That's my edge for buys. Now as well, we got a support right here. We got a 1 hour support that we holding at. Then as well, we got a higher low. Then we got a higher high. Then we got our previous high, which is our previous higher high. So once price come above this, I can take an entry. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna show y'all 3 entry protocols, and then I'm gonna show y'all I miss all 3 of these shits. It's crazy. So go to 15 minute. I seen a 15 minute change of carry to the downside. Okay, delete these real quick. So I got my 15 minute change of carry to the downside, and I also had a 15 minute supply. So now I'm just want to buy up to this 15 minute supply. That's what I'm looking for. I'll go to my 5 minute time frame. Then you already know what I mark up. Go to my sessions, mark up my Asian highs and lows. So I'm gonna do that first. Asian high. Then we'll mark up my Asian lows. Now I'm waiting for New York open. New York just open. Now I'll mark up my London high. My London low. Now I got my basically PD. I don't got no demand yet, but what I have a 15 minute supply where price is more likely going to come to with the 15 minute change of character. But as well, I have a 1 hour breaker structure, so my main ideas are buys. So I'm gonna take the sessions off. So now I'm just waiting. Boom, right here. This could have been an entry right here, bro. I'm talking about liquidity grab at its finest. Fucked around, didn't get in on that one. Plays coming. Could answer right here. ICC. There's sell below here. At my higher low, S at the higher low. Entry right here at this candle closure. Because I'm looking at the 5 minute. So I'm gonna get in on the 5 minute candle closure right here when it came back above that previous higher high to target these new highs that it just made to make a new higher high. So boom. And as well as London high is also considered as a change of character. We can close above this. I got my closer right here. Price covered up. Came to that 15-minute supply. But as well left me a 5-minute demand. So like I said, I'm still looking for buys. I couldn't catch the liquidity grab up. So I'm gonna put my 5-minute demand. And now this is the play that I was looking for, but I had to do something, and by the time I came back to the screen, this shit was already playing out. So look how this shit went. Gave me my tap. I'm still not in it. My candle closure up with a strong rejection. Overhead got in right here at the candle closure. SL at the bottom of this box. Aiming for my 1-to-1. Then my last protocol would be the agent highs. Cause price usually come take agent highs, then it may do a reversal. Cause we so in premium right now, so TP2. Mm. TP1 hit. Nah. TP2 on the way. TP2 smack boom. Today was basically a good day. ICC with demand. Had my indication, my edge for the buys came, made a higher low. Could have got in when it broke above this hourly level, this hourly resistance, this hourly higher high, previous higher high. SL at the higher low. That was one entry. The other entry, well, the first entry was the London grab, the liquidity sweep at the London low came. That was the first entry. Second entry was ICC entry into here at this candle closure. SL down here. And the third entry was as the man had another indication, had a correction for the continuation. Had another indication, had a correction for the continuation. So you see how ICC work. Indication, correction, continuation. That easy. So yeah, guys, that was it basically. Um, Close out of a banger buy on Nas. Could have been a W. Could have been in profits, but we cool. We only in a little bit of drawdown. Then as well, I missed my buy on gold, which could have took that little bit of drawdown and put me back in profits. But it's cool. But hey, we back tomorrow. I'm keeping very transparent. I'm breaking this shit down for you can understand why I got into play, how I got into play. Um, then as well, I don't think nobody else breaking shit down like this on YouTube, showing you how they enter, showing you market structure, ICC, showing you a little bit of ICT with supply and demand. Take that little bit of gems I just gave you and run with it. Like, subscribe, comment, and your boy E Toonsky is out the building.